Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Dell G15 5510 gaming laptop. I'm going to show you how to open it up, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing guys, power down the computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. So you have 3 screws along this edge, 3 screws along this edge, and these 2 on the bottom. After you take those screws out, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. I say plastic because it's going to scratch your case less than a metal pry tool will. You're going to take your pry tool and you're going to put it along the edge, along the seam here, on the bottom case and the rest of your computer. And you're going to slowly pry this bottom case off from the rest of your computer right through here. If you get stuck in a certain area, leave it. Go to the other side, continue in the other direction. Also, don't put your pry tool too far in. You can damage some internal components. Keep it right on the edge. And this bottom case was actually fairly easy to take off compared to other computers. After you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, guys, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, I have it sitting on an anti-static pad. Either that or an anti-static bracelet will go a long way to help you avoid damaging things in your computer when you're working on it. If you guys want any help with tools or supplies like that, as well as any of these replacement or upgrade parts for the Dell G15 5510, there'll be a link above, also below in the description with all the tools that I use, as well as all those replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model. Also, before touching anything in a computer, it's best to unplug your battery. This battery unplugs very easily. I held this cable here, took it up a little bit, and I took a pry tool and this black ribbing right there on top, I gently pushed down on that with my pry tool at the same time that I gently pulled down on this cable, and the battery unplugged fairly easily. Now that the battery has been unplugged, it's safe to proceed deeper into the computer. Your Wi-Fi card is right here to the left of my screen, above one of your solid-state drive M.2 ports, and right under your left-hand fan. So right here, there's a screw on the left-hand side. You take that screw out, it'll release this guard that's over your antenna wire. And then once that's off, you can snap off your antenna wire. Those are just snaps. They just pull up and off of the Wi-Fi card. And then your Wi-Fi card can unplug from this port right here. If you're looking to get at your antenna wire, these will simply then unrun from around your fan and they'll go up through this hinge assembly right here. And if you wanted the Wi-Fi spec information for that card, this was an Intel AX201 card. The exact model for this was an AX201 NGW. I will have that information below in the description, and I'll also include a replacement option in that link that I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts. As a final side note, if you're having Wi-Fi issues with your computer, it is possible that your Wi-Fi card is bad and needs to be replaced, but it's also possible that it's a driver or software issue. If you guys want help troubleshooting Wi-Fi issues, there'll be a link above. Also below in the description, it'll be a tutorial showing you how to fix the issue if your computer can't find any Wi-Fi. So I hope this video helped you out. This is what you're looking at to get into this computer, access your Wi-Fi card in a G15 5510. So that's the video, guys. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. It could save you some time getting an answer. If you do need to leave me a question or comment, please do. I do try to get to those a couple times a day at least. To support the channel, please remember to like and share. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of DIY tutorials. And for those of you that want to support the channel a little further, you can always leave a small donation, and there's a couple ways to do that. First, right below the video to the right-hand side, you'll see the Super Thanks button. You can click on that. You can select a tip amount here. Second way, you can use your Cash App. Find me at $PCHelper. You can leave a dollar amount, and you can even leave a little note. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.